Want to make a quick reminder video to anybody else out there that drives a diesel truck. Change your fuel filters. And try and get in the habit of draining the water separator from your fuel filter at least once a month, especially in the wintertime. I change my fuel filters every second oil change. Take a look at the bottom of this cartridge. This is after 14,000 miles. See all that rust in the bottom there and that other crud in there? That's pretty darn bad. I'd imagine it comes from the fuel stations, just crud that collects in their tanks, and maybe some metal parts that kind of shave off of their fuel pumps as they wear down. But guys wonder why their CP4 pumps go. Well, in my humble opinion, most of the time it's due to lack of maintenance. And this is what the bottom of that cartridge looks like after being cleaned out. That's how it should look. Keep up with the maintenance.